I'm headed to the Hot River North neighborhood, to a location surrounded by restaurants and bars, and a short walk from public transit, Magma's shops, and Chicago's fabulous Riverwalk, for a tour of one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at Exhibit on Superior. Exhibit has a landscape public plaza fronting the popular Left Coast coffee shop. The amenities at Exhibit include a large landscape pool deck with a hot tub and grilling stations. There are private workspaces, a comfortably furnished resident lounge, and a well-equipped fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. I'm in the foyer of apartment 808, looking at a full-size stacked washer-dryer and a closet behind the louvered door. It's blonde plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment, heading toward the bath. Very sleek finishes, white quartz look counter, rain shower head in the tub. Closet, set up with an ironing board, vacuum, umbrella, extra light bulbs. Sweet Home Chicago, so you're going to find everything you need to feel right at home and almost hotel-like services. Kitchen has white quartz counters, a wide undermount sink, white tile backsplash, espresso stained cabinetry. There's a dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave, and all the countertop appliances, cookware, cutlery, glasses, dishware, everything you're going to need to be comfortable for a while. Living dining area. There's a wall of windows looking out toward the sunset in the west. There's a home office desk, a goodie bag to welcome you here. Heading into the sleeping area, got a second flat panel TV, windows looking out over a balcony that looks out on Wells Street, fabulous pedestrian-friendly strip, and a walk-in closet set up with custom organizers and additional beddings and linens. Exhibit on Superior has a terrific location in the heart of River North, an extensive and very appealing suite of amenities, and Sweet Home Apartments offer you a sweet deal.